In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix cannot play this right now in Spotify. If you are facing this issue, couple of things that you can try. Firstly, it might be because of the internet connection. So make sure you have your connection is valid. So scroll down and see that you are connected to a Wi-Fi or your mobile data is still turned on and there is no interruption to your network. Okay, because this might be one of the major reasons for this. Okay, so check that. If that's fine, and then what we can do is go to your open up your Spotify. Like, just close the Spotify. If you have already opened it up, just close it. Okay, close it and then exit the app completely. So it's completely close the app, exit it. So completely just close it, exit it, and then relaunch the app, and that might fix up any bugs here. And then try accessing now, so and see if a particular playlist or a song, if it works now, or if it's you're still having issue with. Okay, other than that, you can also, what you can do is try to restart your device. So your whatever device you're using it on, try to restart the device, because in most places restarting the device might fix up these small bugs. Okay, and finally, what you can also do is go to your app settings. So open up your Spotify and go to your Spotify settings here. So just go for it, and then once you are on the Spotify settings here, go to your storage option here, and then from here try to clear the cache and data. Okay, try to clear these two, cache and data, and then relaunch the app, and it might also help you to troubleshoot the issue. And these are the ways how you can do this.